I'm going to add the finishing details on my sphere. I'm keeping that paper underneath my hand and I'm using my white chalk pencil just to add those details and to clean it up a little bit. Just a little bit more smudging and it gets better. Sometimes you just have to keep going, darken it up a little bit, and it really makes it pop. When you're finished, spray it with fixative. Here I'm using workable fixative, but you can use final fixative if you're completely done. Give it a lot of layers and let it sit outside for about 10 minutes and dry before you bring it in. Thanks for watching.